So here's a quick demo of a system I'm kind of working on. Might make a course about it or something else. I'm not sure yet, depending how it goes. So basically, it's all about these bars, right? And part of the functionality right here. So let's imagine we're trading at this spot here. Doesn't matter where we're trading, actually. Okay, like at some point we kind of figure out that well, it seems that there's been a breakthrough, so we might go down, we might go up, we don't know. So we auto place dual. So what this thing is going to do is when this bar closes, it's either going to place a limit order buy or a limit order sell at the level of its close. All right, so let's and then it's going to set a stop loss, which is going to equal the reversal bar, and it's going to set a profit target, which is going to equal one step size. Well, it can be other, right? Doesn't matter. So you can see this bar is just closed. I know it's red. It's because it's below the EMA, but it's actually green. It's just colored red because of the EMA. So it's actually now set a buy limit order. Okay, so if the price comes back and touches it, okay, we're gonna get fill, an accurate fill, hopefully. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there you go. The price came back, touched it, and we got a fill long. Okay, and we can see that here's our stop order. Okay, our stop order. Excuse me. Our stop order is set. Okay, so if this bar reverses, okay, it's actually gonna close right here. Okay, but in order for it to actually reverse, the price has to go one tick below. All right. So in order for it to actually reverse and close, okay, and this is a stop sell, okay, and here is a profit target of 4 ticks, which is exactly, what the bar, and it's actually even less than it has to make in order for it to close, okay, so that can actually still work out, and well, pretty much it's just a pretty cool helper, I think, okay. I don't know where the right market's actually going to go. I'm probably going to get stopped out, but, well, yeah. And so you can see how it kind of touched upon this level, but the bar didn't close. Okay, so it actually has to go one tick below in order for it to close. Okay, and okay, it got stopped out anyway. All right, you can see this button is grayed out again. So, and I could do this forever, right? So now we're on the red side again, and let me just fast forward a little bit, where like to the market where it was a bit more likely to do. Okay, there we go. Oh, not again. It's okay. It looks like we're in some sort of downtrend again. Okay, so I'm gonna slow this down. Okay, and there you go. Auto plays dual. Okay, so if this goes down, now let's just fast forward a little bit. Okay, there you go. It went down. Got us in short this time. Same story. Okay. Okay, there we go. Got a profit. Okay, and I can like do this forever. Right? Auto plays dual mode. There you go. Up, in. Might be not as lucky this time. Okay. And let's see what it does. Okay, and I don't know if a few more bucks in. Okay. So just like a manual helper like that. Okay. This is one of the modes. Now, another mode, which is pretty cool, is place orders mode, which is manual sort of thing, and you can work it single or dual. Okay, I'm going to select single, and I think that if it breaks through this level, I'll think, okay, I think it's a good idea to go short. So if I unclick this and actually like click on the chart, it doesn't do anything. But if I place orders, single, limit, that means stop, limit, sell. If I click below the market, bang, here's the order. Okay, and if I can cancel it, and if I switch to the stop, oh sorry, this is limit, sorry, yeah, so this was actually a limit, a buy order here. Okay, limit buy, which is not what I intended. Okay, so I was thinking stop, limit, sell, right? So place orders, bang, stop, limit, sell. Okay, cancel, stop, market, place orders, stop, limit, buy, stop, market, sell. Okay, and same story. I could do this in dual mode. So for example, I think that okay, I want to sell here, but if it actually goes above this level, I want to buy there. So I'm in dual mode and stop, limit. Okay, so this is going to be so place orders. Okay, stop, limit, and the next click you make is going to stop, limit, buy, stop, limit, sell. Okay, you can see the orders here, long, short, bracket. Okay, they'll get, once you get filled, okay, your position will get accompanied by an exit of profit value in either ticks. There's also a USD here. Okay, so this is now set in ticks. There's also break even. Okay, thinking of adding a trail. All right, but overall seems like a pretty cool helper, you know, for people who like these sort of bars. All right, so just wanted to show it around a bit.